Greetings, troops, and welcome back to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words. It's Monday, the 12th of June, 2023. It's the start of a new trading week. That can only mean one thing. It's a review, a wrap-up of what happened last week and some levels to watch this week. Without further ado, let's get into it. Straight into AMC, then you can see that we have broken out of that falling wedge. Very, very bullish. And if I put another trend line in here, you will see that we have now got a rising level of support, troops. Always good to see the old rising level of support there. Stick that in. It's there or thereabouts. It's not an exact science. But you can see, slowly, catch a monkey, catch an ape. Levels, troops, $5. Still looking for that $5 recovery for AMC. Big month this month. I think it's this month that the court case is going to go ahead towards the end of the month. So we'll see what that brings. I've heard on the grapevine and I've read that box office revenue is starting to climb back up again. So it's all good there, troops. Looking forward to see some positivity finally in AMC. Get us back up to where we belong in the thousands of dollars. Well, come on, let's be realistic. But, you know, everybody wants to make money. Ape, you know my feelings on Ape, and you can see it's just absolute continuation of consolidation there in that channel. It's extremely narrow now, actually, troops. We can pop that there. Can we bring that down a little bit? I hate this new, honestly, I hate it. I hate this new, there we go. Look, you can just see consolidation. So it is what it is, troops. Sideways trading at its finest. GameStop, big news last week on GameStop was that, I'm sure you've all seen it anyway. Let me just change this over. There was no earnings call as expected. And on the day that earnings was dropped, it was announced that Matt Furlong has been relieved of his duties as CEO. No reason why. It did say in the filing there's no bad blood between the company and Matt Furlong. It remains to be seen what details come out of that. Very, very interested, no troops. And on the back of that, you will have seen that shares dropped 20%. We went right down to, we had a low of the day of $20.10 from a high in pre-market. We were up actually in pre-market. In aftermarket. After the close, before earnings was announced, the price went up, then it dropped. Next day down to $20 from a close of $26.11. So we lost 20%. But since then, troops, we've had a nice little recovery there, a couple of long wicks. That's to be expected. But we reclaimed quickly that $21.17 area. So once again, we're looking for that $24 where we were in that channel quite nicely, sitting quite nicely, troops. You could actually call this a bit of a fake out. But let's see what happens over the coming days and weeks. Very, very interesting situation for GameStop. Just going back to the Ryan Cohen, he was on Twitter. Where's his Twitter? Here it is. Straight after that news dropped, he tweeted, not for long. Don't know, is it a play on words? And since then, he's been even more active because he's been working in customer services, apparently. Someone DM'd him, said they're having problems. Somebody else DM'd him, said they're having problems. And apparently, he's been all hands on. He's now been elected executive chairman. It is the GameStop shareholder meeting this week, the 15th. So do look out for that. We may or may not get some answers there. But that is it, troops. $24 for GameStop, $5 for AMC are the areas I'm looking for. Nice recovery from GameStop. AMC waiting on the court case. That's going to be pivotal, I believe. That's it, troops. As always, if you have enjoyed this content, please do give me a thumbs up. Continue to hit the subscribe button. Spread the word. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. We want to get there by the end of 2050. So if you do know anybody that wants to check out not only stock videos, but van videos as well, stupid shorts that I'm doing with my son, do check those out. We're having a right giggle doing those. then hit that button. With that being said, troops, as always, wherever you are in the world, do take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops!